Ever spent hours formatting a spreadsheet, only to have a formula go rogue and throw your entire system into chaos? Or maybe you've reached the point where your accounting system involves a mountain of crumpled receipts and a vague sense of dread. If you're nodding along, then you, my friend, are in desperate need of a real accounting solution. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're diving deep into Zoho Books, a cloud-based accounting software that's taking the small business world by storm. But before we sing its praises, let's address the elephant in the room. Why are spreadsheets such a nightmare for your finances? The spreadsheet struggle is real. Spreadsheets are fantastic tools. They're versatile, accessible, and initially, free. However, for managing your business finances, they quickly become a liability. Here's why. Error-prone. One misplaced formula or typo can wreak havoc on your entire financial picture. Let's face it, spreadsheets aren't exactly known for their self-checking abilities. Time-consuming. Data entry, formatting, and maintaining complex formulas takes up precious time that could be better spent growing your business. Limited functionality. Spreadsheets simply can't compete with the robust features of a dedicated accounting software. Insecurity. Spreadsheets on your local drive are vulnerable to loss or damage. Cloud-based solutions offer a much safer haven for your financial data. Zoho Books, the spreadsheet slayer. So, what makes Zoho Books a superior alternative? Here are just a few reasons why it might be the perfect fit for your small business. Effortless setup. Zoho Books gets you up and running in minutes. No complex installations or mountains of user manuals needed. Intuitive interface. Even if you're a complete accounting novice, Zoho Books' user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and understand. Automated features. Say goodbye to manual data entry. Zoho Books automates tasks like bank reconciliation, invoice creation, and expense tracking, saving you a ton of time and effort. Real-time insights. Get a clear picture of your financial health at a glance. Zoho Books provides insightful dashboards and reports that help you make informed business decisions. Collaboration power. Share financial data with your accountant, team members, or clients securely. Zoho Books fosters seamless collaboration, keeping everyone on the same page. Scalability. Zoho Books grows with your business. It offers a range of plans to cater to your specific needs, from a solopreneur to a growing team. Affordability. Zoho Books is incredibly budget-friendly compared to traditional accounting software. Their plans are designed for small businesses, making it an investment you can feel good about. Beyond the basics, Zoho Books delivers value. But Zoho Books doesn't stop at the essentials. Here are some additional features that make it stand out. Inventory management. Track your inventory levels with ease, ensuring you never run out of stock at a crucial moment. Project accounting. Gain deeper insights into project profitability and resource allocation. Customizable invoices. Create professional invoices that reflect your brand identity, leaving a lasting impression on your clients. Multilingual support. Zoho Books caters to businesses operating globally, with support for multiple languages and currencies. Zoho Books. Not just for the numbers nerds. Don't let the term accounting software scare you away. Zoho Books is designed to simplify your financial life, even if you're not a financial wizard. It empowers you to focus on what truly matters, running and growing your business. If you're tired of wrestling with spreadsheets, Zoho Books offers a powerful and affordable solution. It streamlines your accounting processes, provides valuable insights, and frees up your time. So, ditch the spreadsheet tears and embrace the peace of mind that comes with a real accounting partner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.